The one on the right is our first video. The one on the left is from the other night. Now, as far as your setup goes, I really like how you're set up on the left. If you notice, your left hip is a little closer to the line that's off your shoulder in relationship to the one on the right. Also, the only thing that I'd like to see changed in your setup on the left is if you look at your right arm and your left arm, you can definitely see that there's still some play in that left arm. I would like to have that reversed. I'd like to see the left arm look more like the right and the right arm look more like the left. So we want to make sure we have a good spoke between the shoulder and the golf club with our left arm. I don't want it, obviously ridded, but I'd like to see some of that play taken out. Now, let's take it to the top, because this is also a huge improvement. When you get to the top of your backswing, what we want to feel is we want to feel weight on the inside of the back foot with a steady head and a center shoulder turn. Okay? So now if you look at the views here, you can definitely see there's a lot of differences, but what I really like is from the ground up, I can see that you have more weight working into the inside of the back foot on the screen on the left. You're also staying inside that line on your right hip, and your body is actually more in line to your pivot. You can see the one on the right, how your body is kind of curving backwards in this fashion. So we want to make sure that we get turned behind this golf ball, which you are on the screen on the left. Now let's start you down. This is the big one. I want you to watch the transition here and notice how much more your left hip is getting into the low point line. Liking what I'm seeing on the left as far as what we're doing with our hands and club. Okay, I'm just going to go one more. Okay, so you can definitely see that your hands are more in front of your right thigh at delivery. I'd like to see that club a little bit more up, but we'll get to that. From here, the club works down, out, and forward, but this is the big improvement here at impact. Okay, so if we look at where we are, what I want to see is I want to see, number one, the left arm club form a straight line off your shoulder, which it is on the left, a lot better. And you can see the one on the right here. You can see how broken down your left arm is. The hands are well behind, and all that's going to do is lead more to a flip. So you can see here how the golf club is well ahead of the hands on the screen on the right, but still in good shape on the left. From here, you just turn it up to your finish, release, and now this is also something that I like to see here is if you look at where your body is in relationship to the low point line, your body is halfway through that line, where at this one here, most of your body is back behind the line. Love this right here. Keep up the good work.